A good pantomime horse is someone that's strong, fit, can run and outdo everybody else and get back to the finishing line first.
Well, my horse favours wet conditions, and today it's wet to sodding wet, so I'm hoping for a good run.
Tiring. Never again, not at my age.
How did the horse do?
He did very well. He did better than me, actually. Yeah, did much better. The reins weren't very good, but I sort of held him round the neck and clung on, and he went like the wind.
Look, dead.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
Well, I was robbed. My horse, I was told it was going to be lovely weather. Look at this, wet. We were doing all right, and then trouser elastic went. We stood no chance.
My pants fell down, would you believe it? But I'd like to thank Shaq's Nuts. He's been feeding me, training me, running me here, there and everywhere, looking after me. You know, I've got tears in my eyes from all of this. I'm getting emotional. But hey, second, no.
I am absolutely knackered. Forget the marathon, that is tough.
Oh, never mind.
Fell at the first day, and I.
Oh.